Good afternoon, all my friends, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen. Today I have a topic related to habit, and this habit is seen throughout the walk of your life. Either it is the personal life, social life, or professional life. What happens? हम नहीं बदलेंगे. You have seen very simple way saying the person that अरे यार मैं क्यों बदलूं, मैं ही क्यों बदलूं, अरे बदलना है तो सामने वाला बदले, दूसरा बदले. Technically you may be right, but practically you are wrong. You are in charge of yourself. You are in charge of yourself. You have to take the call. You cannot force others to take the call. So don't expect other people to change. Even your friends will not change. He will say that he is dictating. This is not right approach. And then finally you have to change. Now, for your own betterment, where you are being benefited, at least for that you give a cool thought that yes, change is always available in the life, and I cannot dictate to others. I cannot expect from other to change for me. Let them take their own call, and let me take call which is much more beneficial to me in my personal and professional life. You are always working for your happiness. Changing the system you may require, but forcing to your neighboring employee that if you are changed like this, then this benefit will be there. Even though he is in mood to change, he will not change. This is very practically accepted. आपके बाजू में राम बैठता है और आप श्याम हैं. श्याम ने राम से कहा अरे ज़रा ये चेंज कर लो यार, जो है तुम्हारे स्क्रीन से लाइट आ रहा है, ज़रा उसको इधर से उधर कर लो. He will prefer to go to bathroom, but he will not change the direction. My study is this much. What is the human psychology? Why I should listen you? I will remain as it is. Problem is to you, not to me. Yes, having said all these things does not mean that all the people is like this. There is a few people, few employees you get, they are cooperative, they do understand your problem, and whatever you address as a problem, If it is related to them, they take immediate call and remove the causes. In your personal life, they always take care of if anything is happening or adversely affecting to the neighbor. नेबर हमारा सबसे परम मित्र है. Opposite to this, you will get a person saying that नेबर को प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे क्या लेना देना है. प्रॉब्लम तो नेबर को है, मुझे तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. मैं अपने और अपने सिस्टम को क्यों चेंज करूं. It is one side, it is matter of habit. One side it is matter of addictedness, that I will not change. And first person says that, oh, my neighbor is disturbed, my co-employee is disturbed, I should correct it. And he corrects, she corrects. And top of that it goes and asks, now are you okay? Now are you okay? So he and she changed himself or herself, and top of that asking your comfort also. So he is 2 points ahead from the negative person. So it is expected always that in the changing environment, in personal life, social life, and at the place of work, you try to change to the extent that neither you are in trouble, nor your co-worker is in trouble, nor in your neighbor is in trouble. Everything goes nice. Change is always good. Change of habit is always very good, because the way you behave, you will be behaved. If you are arrogant, if you are non-cooperative, if you are not sound proper, all these things will lead to far away to London, and you will live alone in isolation, because your habit, your inbuilt habit is not suiting to the others. You are a trouble creator. You are fingering. You are arrogant. People don't like. So in each walk of your life, you be ready to change yourself in the given circumstances, so that people likes you, people adore you, people remember you, and at the tough time they cry for you. अरे वो होता तो हमको ज़रूर बचा लेता, अरे होता तो इस तरीके का उसका आदत था कि हम ज़रूर बच जाते. Let the people remember this way, instead of having the negative temperament about you. So, coming back, let me brief it out with the punchline. The change is always there in the life. You invite or don't invite, it will come to you. It will knock you. It is up to you to accept and change or don't change. But it is advised with the folded hand request to be ready to change yourself to suit to the given environment. Enjoy. I am very sure you will get a very nice taste of it if you have inculcated habit to change immediately as per the change required. Thank you very much. Do take care of yourself. Thank you.